Hey, welcome back. Need to top up your MTAG for hassle-free traveling on Pakistan's motorways in 2025. I'll show you how to pay your MTAG using the HBL Mobile App. It's fast, secure, and perfect for keeping your MTAG wallets loaded. So first, open the HBL Mobile App, grab it from the App Store or Google Play if you don't have it. Log in with your username and password or use biometrics like fingerprint. Make sure it's version 4.9 or later for the current year. From the home screen, tap Payments or the plus icon to see all bill options. If you're new, register via the app. Step 2. Find the MTAG option. In the Payments menu, scroll to Bill Payments or Top-ups. Look for MTAG under the list of services. It's grouped with utilities or transport payments. If you don't see it, use the search bar and type MTAG or MTAG. Select it, then your vehicle registration number or MTAG ID. You'll find this on your MTAG account or receipts. So after that, input the amounts. Minimum's usually PKR 500, but check your MTAG balance needs via the MTAG portal at the corresponding website. Choose your funding source, HBL account, debit or credit card. Tap Pay Now. View the details and confirm your PIN or biometrics. I topped up my PKR 1000 in seconds and hit my MTAG wallet instantly, ready for the motorway. So that's how it's done, guys. Cruising smoothly. Drop your experiences below. Like and subscribe for more banking hacks, and I will see you very soon.